Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Yahoo Mail. First of all, you have to open your Google Chrome web browser and in the top section right over here, type down yahoo.com and enter it. After you're done, you'll get into an interface like this of the Yahoo Mail official homepage, and in the top right corner, there's a sign in option. Click on that, and here we could see right over here that's you are required with your username, email, or mobile number as you prefer. You can simply type down whatever you prefer. As I'm going with my email, but if you have forgotten your username, you can click on this option that says forgot username in order to recover it. And after that, you can click on the next option. And we need to click on the small box right over here and click on the continue. And here we could see we need to enter our verification code that Yahoo Mail has sent it to our mail. So what you have to do is simply go to your Gmail and then check for the any mail that Yahoo have sent and simply enter your verification code, and after that click on the next, and then you'll be signed in, and then you'll be successfully signed in to your Yahoo Mail. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming updates.